Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victor Clement. I help business grow through smarter operation and automation. In today's video, I will show you how to automatically send response using Google Forms and Google Sheet. No coding, just simple setup. As in, no coding, just simple setup. Stay tuned as I show you the step by step. Now, to save time, I've already created the form. This is the form client onboarding, just a simple form for client onboarding. So we have the full name on the document on the form, full name, business name, email, what service the client wants, and then description of the project and when the client wants to start, and then prefer contact. So it's just a client onboarding form. So from there, we'll connect it to Google Sheet. Remember I said from Google Form to Google Sheet, then to your email. We'll use just only one additional application. So from there, we link it to Google Sheet. You click here for your Google Sheet linking. So we just create it. It's already here. Let's create it. To carry us to Google Sheet now. Now we already have our form already on Google Sheet to receive a response. So when the responses are coming on the Google form, you will get the responses here. Also, you get it on the form also, but you get the responses here. So from there, you go to this place extension. This is where we'll look for our application that we'll use in automating the response to save us time of responding each responder one by one. So when you click on this extension, you click on add-on, you then get add-on. Let's wait for it to load. Then to save time, just click here, just type form notification. Form, okay, yeah. Form notification. There are different type of form notification application, but we'll just use only one for this purpose of tutorial. We use this very first one, format. That form notification our main major format. We click on it. Then we install the extension on our Google Drive, on our Google form sheet. You give up a permission, any email you want to use, then you give permission, continue to ask you this question, then you give permission to it. Allow. See, see it why it load. Okay, now it's already done. So we have installed our format, which is form notification application. This is the application we use to do our automation, which is for auto reply. And that what that means is when any client or potential client fill the form, they will get an auto reply from us. So let's set it up. Here we have a template name, which is a client onboarding. So that's the template name, client onboarding. And with our sheet, where is our Google Sheet. We just click on form response one because it's only one Google Sheet we are using. So now we'll use our email subject. So this email subject is what we want to use to say hello to our client. that we're expecting. So I already have something here. Let me copy this. I'll paste it here. Then email body is what you want to tell the clients, what you want the client to receive as soon as they fill the form. Let me copy it here too. Paste it. So that's just all for this section. Then we click on next. Now, recipient email. In this aspect, we can decide to leave it. You can decide to leave the recipient email. We'll leave this side. If we want to CC anybody in the email, we'll put it here. If we want to BCC somebody too in the email, we put it here. Then sender email, sender name. That means your own name. That's if you want to put your name as the sender or as the business name as the sender. That's what you put in this place. So maybe your business name is let's say Vic Ltd. Or let us put Victor as the sender name. Victor. Let us put Victor as the sender name. You don't need to put anything in this place. So the next thing you do is you must on this thing. Send on form submit. This is where the automation starts. Send on form submit. Then you click save. Okay, please select a recipient. Oh, sorry. Yes, I made a mistake here. You are supposed to select something here where the email of the recipient will be. So you click what you click here is email address. You can click this or this. So you can just click this one, email address. So it means that once the form will see, you pick this email address from here and then pick it up and then you save it. So now let's wait for it to load. Now the automation is set. Now that you have tried it and you have seen the step by step of how it went, I always be able to set it up from Google Sheet or from Google Form down to Google Sheet, then to the formal application that we attached to the Google Sheet. Then we saw the auto response that we received in our email. I believe you can also try it. There are some other applications. We just use this one for tutorial. You can also do more research and get out more. Stay tuned for more tutorial on how you can automate with some workflow in your business. Thank you. See you in the next video.